Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we used basic data validation, but today we are leveling up to data validation custom. Standard rules only let you use fixed numbers. Today, I will show you how to use a custom formula. So, Excel will check different stock limits for every single row automatically. Now, look at here, we have minimum stock allowed, the danger line, the absolute lowest number of phones the store is allowed to have before they run out, the danger line or minimum safety limit. We have current quantity, what is physically available on the shelf right now. Then we also have the quantity order, what you order, a separate request sent to the factory to bring new stock when the current quantity gets too low. Now we have the inventory validation table. We have serial number, we have products, we have products, we have minimum stock allowed, then we have current quantity. Now let me paint this picture. Now imagine someone comes to you and says to you, hey, I want to buy 7 Apple phones. Now remember, we have the minimum stock allowed is 9. This is already set and constant. It means that 7 will not be possible if peradventure the person still wants to buy, because the minimum stock allowed is 9. So it means that below 9 will not be possible. Below 9 will not be possible, which means that we will need to what? Order for more Apple phones in order for us to maintain that minimum stock allowed, which is 9. The 9 is fixed and constant. So if someone says that I want to buy 50, well, if we have more than 50, let's say we have 59, then we sell 50, then we will still maintain our minimum order of 9. So we can only, this can be done by using custom. So now, how can we set it? How can we use our formula for this? Now what you are going to do first is to highlight, then we move to data tab, the drop down list, the data validation. Now we click this drop down arrow to locate the custom. So now we input the formula. This will be equals to G9, that is this particular cell. G9 is greater than or equal to this particular cell, F9. F9. Now I want us to put input message here. So, or let's just go for the error alert instead. So here for my error alert, I'm going to set stock alert danger. I'm going to set stock alert danger. So for the error message, I'm going to put the quantity entered is below the quantity entered is below the minimum safety limit. So now maybe I can still add something again. I will just please check the physical inventory. Please check the physical inventory. So the quantity entered is below the minimum safety limits. Please check the physical inventory. So I'll press my OK. Now let me try to put 6 as the minimum and let's see what's going to happen. What do you see here? The quantity entered is below the minimum safety limit. Please check the physical inventory. Retry. So it means that it will not be possible. So imagine the employee has forgotten that whole minimum stock allowed is always 9, but since we've already validated this particular column, Excel triggers, Excel blocks, then the person will remember, oh, we must not go below the minimum stock allowed. So also we have for Samsung, we have for Motorola, we have for Infinix. So if I put 3 for Samsung, let's see what will happen. I'm going to get the same thing. So applicable to the rest. So I will need to retry. So it means that before Excel can allow me to input that particular figure, it will mean the order is above the minimum stock that is allowed. I hope you've learned something today. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more video. And before I go, next week I will continue from where I stopped. Data validation custom. Thank you for watching. Bye.